Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are officially in Alte. We have just checked in, and before we head out to get some few snacks, let me give you a quick tour of the hotel. And the lights! Oh, they did not connect the two beds. That's okay. Our view from the hotel. We're going out this afternoon. Yan yung hotel namin. My husband. Look guys, parang may flag na Portugal sa church. We have to park, babe. It's their church. I'll try if I can enter. So guys, nakapagpunta ako dun sa church pero hindi na naman kami nakapasok kasi sarado. So nag-pray na lang ako dun sa labas for our marriage, for my family and my friends, especially in the Philippines. So, nabili kami dito. So guys, nag-take out lang kami ng pastel de nata and almond cake. So sabi ni ate, kailangan daw yung pastel de nata may sprinkles of cinnamon. Tinanong naman niya kami kung gusto namin may cinnamon or wala. So sabi ko, we want yung merong sprinkles of cinnamon kasi nag-a-add siya ng flavor. Nung na-try kasi namin sa Belém, sa Lisbon, nung nilagyan namin ng cinnamon, na-enhance yung flavor niya. Pinalagyan namin. Kasi sabi din naman ni ate, yung nakikita, sabi niya, they always prefer na merong cinnamon powder. So sabi ko nga, yeah, I agree. So we'll eat this in the hotel. Hindi kami nakapunta doon sa isa naming destination dapat today. So, bukas na lang. Baka sarado na kasi yung ways ayaw na kaming padaanin. So, pagtingin namin nakasara yung parang wall. So, tatanungin na lang namin sa reception tomorrow how to get doon sa place na yon and yung time, our hours of operation nila. For now, punta lang kami sa bilihan ng water or mga kung ano-anong snacks kasi 'di ba yung hotel namin merong parang veranda. So Diego and I decided to stay there, magchika-chikahan kaming dalawa, ganyan, mag charot-charutan kami habang nag-i-snacks. So punta muna kami sa bilihan ng drinks. Different kinds of bread. Croissant. Coffee. May egg din. Egg. Fruits and hams. We are going to Albufeira Beach, 30 minutes away from.
We are following this.
So, nakapag-park na kami doon. Walang bayad ang parking, even sa Spain. during weekends, only on weekdays. The beach. Hanap kami ng spot. Kami sa tinayo ni Diego. Look at the sand here. Albufeira Beach is one of the most popular beaches in the Algarve. Known for its wide stretch of golden sand and bright blue water, and since this trip is in the middle of summer, it's definitely packed. Everyone's out enjoying the sun, which is completely normal for this time of the year. Meron pa hanggang doon pa siya, mahaba siya, hanggang doon pa sa dulo. Yeah. Me and my husband are enjoying some quality time at the hotel pool. It feels like we have the whole place to ourselves. And as you can probably see, I'm definitely the talkative one. While my husband is his usual calm, nonchalant self, just happy to listen to all my little chit-chats. We are really having fun. Merienda. What's this? Yes. Dito sa restaurant, binigyan kami ng map. Ang cute, no? Tingnan mo, may mga QR code for so. But now, we'll try to do it kung paano to nilatag dito sa map. Naka-number naman siya. So guys, papunta kami dun sa first stop na ita-try namin puntahan lahat ng nasa list. So our first destination dito sa Alte for today, I mean for this afternoon, what's the name of it? Fonte. So the first stop this afternoon is Fonte Grande. Come with us. Fonte Grande. Ang relaxing ng vibe. And at the same time, kahit summer, kasi usually pag summer, maraming turista talaga. Dito, wala masyado. Like, sobrang, hindi kasing dami nung nandoon sa bandang coast area. May nadaanan kaming ganito. Yeah. So siya, papunta dyan sa restaurant.
We finished here.
So, andito kami kanina, pero dun kami sa may taas na part, papunta dun sa dulo nitong water. So, nalampasan namin si Ponte Pequeña na nandito din sa mapa. So, ito siya. Now, tell you what it is about. Parang may water dyan. You can go bilang mahilig yan museum. Babasahin yan isa-isa. So, hintayin ko siya. Ito naman, nakita ko din sa YouTube video naman ng another tourist. Yung next stop namin, which is the third spot. Kasi baka malampasan na naman namin. It's just right there. So, yung parang flag ng Portugal. Nakita na namin yan pagpasok pa lang namin dito sa city na to. Sabi ko kay Diego, sabi ko, love, may flag. Pero syempre, hindi in English. I mean, hindi in Tagalog. In English, syempre. So, ayan siya, oh. So, what about the fourth?
Or
Lavadoros. Let me see. Here.
It's just here. Here.
Yeah. Helmano Costa. Okay. So guys, yung Lavadoros Publicos ay ayan. Siya ay public toilet.
Yeah.
Tama ba? Is it right, babe?
Yeah, Capella de San Luis.
We're gonna go to the 5th stop, Capella de São Luís. So it's a church, babe. I'm excited. We can just walk. Look at
Yeah,
number
it's
4 and
50
5. They're just
Yeah,
next to each other. Okay. Yung next stop namin na church, dito lang din, dito sa part na to. So kakaliw. Si Diego, gusto na daw niyang uminom ng beer. But everything is already closed here, so you have to wait until we get back to
the hotel.
the hotel. Kaso sarado siya. Nag-pray lang ako dito sa labas sa saglit. Ang cute ng mga pasilyo dito. It smells good. This is the Polo Theologico. What is closed Sunday? So, next naman, doon na kami sa number 8, Igreja Matriz. So, ayan. At uhaw na siya. Kanina pa niya sinasabi yung beer. So, nandito na kami sa number 8, Igreja Matriz. So, dalawa na lang na stop. Nalibutan namin yung buong small town in just few hours. This is the church. Pakita ko rin yung snaps from yesterday kasi nagpunta kami dito kahapon. So may ganyan siyang nakasulat pero it's in Portuguese. So this is the church. Ito yung front side niya. Ay, front view pala. So we're now going to the next. Baby, you're energized.
Yeah, I thought I took my vitamins.
You already took your vitamins. The beer. Pero to be honest guys, ang sarap ng beer nila dito sa Portugal. Hindi naman ako mahilig sa beer, pero na-appreciate yung sarap ng beer. Portuguese beer. Nagustuhan din ni Diego eh. But of course, favorite pa rin ni Diego ang Red Horse from the Philippines.
Yeah. Super.
This is the Junta de Freguesia de Alpe. Parochial Council, parang ganun. Parochial Council, babe.
Mm-hmm.
So, pabalik na kami ng kotse kasi may last thing na lang kaming pupuntahan. So, yung first few stops namin, yung 1 to 9, magkakatabi lang siya. As in, tagto 2 minutes away from each other lang, 4 minutes, ganyan. So, napuntahan namin lahat. May isa pa nga doon yung gitna, Lavado, something like that. Akala namin, tourist spot din. Ano pala, parang binibigyan lang kami ng direction din na pag gusto mong mag-restroom, ganyan, may public restroom sila, which is, ang ganda and malinis. So, punta na kami sa last stop, which is yung Cascada. I mean, waterfalls in English. Kailangan namin mag-core kasi malayo siya from here. Yun lang yung nag-iisang nasa kabilang side. Kasi yung first stop namin, yung parang lagoon na may nagsiswimming, parang parang pool, parang hot spring, Kineso. Yun yung other side. Pupunta kami sa kabilang side. Yung dulong part nun, yun yung sa waterfalls naman. So, let's go! Kuday, good luck talaga sa amin mamaya. Pabalik pa akyat kasi nakababa na po ang mga person. Ayan, may paano dyan. Punta kami dun sa waterfalls.
Eu não ia, mas diga, é o quê?
Era só pra segurar ali. Não vai ser.
Da cá, não, não, não. Não vai. Da cá, aí não vai.
Andun yung waterfall, natatakpan lang. Nagawa pa.
We are almost there. Come on.
Come on, come on. Push. I love you, baby.
Do you want me to tell to your family?
Tell my
About them?
family. I will tell yours too. Reserve si Diego ng table for us. Thank you, babe. So, we ordered soup. It's a vegetable soup. We're having dinner at our hotel that my husband reserved. We started with our traditional soup, so comforting and full of flavor. And for the main course, we tried carne de porco a alentejana, a classic Portuguese dish with pork, clams, usually served with crispy fried potatoes. It was amazing, but honestly, it was a lot, so we couldn't even finish it. And Diego couldn't resist and ordered ice cream for dessert, while I opted out of sweets as usual. Well, I may have had a little too much wine as well, so I'm feeling it already. I did not ask for anything because I'm so full and drunk with white wine. Morning! Breakfast buffet with a view. Nasa same spot kami kung saan kami nag-dinner. We are on our way to Ronda. So it's 4 hours, babe? 4 hours away from here. So this is still Portugal. So after 4 hours or so, we're gonna be in Ronda. Ronda is already Spain. So we're coming back to all good. We're enjoying so far, so good. Bye, Portugal! So, kanina guys, iba nakita nyo naman, dala-dala namin yung plancha. Kasi, yung pang-travel ko na iron na maliit, naiwan ko sa Pilipinas. So, hindi naman na kami nagkaroon ng chance bumili kasi may work kami ni Diego the whole week before nung travel namin. Until Friday, may work din ako. Tapos, binili lang namin yung mga need namin na iba. Tapos, wala na kaming time. Tapos, sabi ko sa kanya, I'll just bring the usual plancha sa bahay. So, yun, dala-dala namin. So, wala namang problema kasi nasa likod lang naman siya ng kotse. But, anyways, in the future, sa mga next rampa namin, I'll make sure na meron na kami small travel iron. And just like that, our Portugal trip has come to an end. A huge thank you to everyone who watched the whole series. We hope you had as much fun watching as we did exploring. Now it's time to head back to Spain for another adventure, so stay tuned and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!